so close to him and it still will not see him at all.
Like a cartoon, reality. It's time I move. I don't know why. Yu-Gi-Oh, you wanna go? Blue eyes, white dragon, no, I will not lose. When I hit my deck, got unlimited moves. Counting 12,000 and that was by.
I'm getting some good shots.
She looks good right now.
They do look a lot fucking bigger.
A bomb drop.
Dude, there's more cars over here.
What?
In like a garage that's like collapsing.
Well, it's a fucking towing place.
What car?
The building is falling apart.
Hold on, I'm not gonna leave my car running right here. Tag light job in the wet ass floor, but it's okay. Shitty dusted ass thing. It's working now. It's online. There we go. Fucking got them both in and working now. They're way up there. Just use regular LED 194 bulbs. Spent the last like 30 minutes messing with the wiring on the sub in the trunk. Trying to fix the amp. Got the sub working. I don't know if the camera's really picking it up, but it's good now. So this thing has a bump and sound system again. It's pretty cool.
What's he doing? Had digital dashes?
Yeah, that's like the dopest thing about them. Really?
I smell crack.
They have like little lights underneath the driver's seat. Can you still see my hand in that?
Yeah.